Pick up. So John got his birthday present today. There are scissors in the kitchen.
Scissors? I don't do scissors.
You are not using a knife because if you use a knife, you might stab your present.
Oh.
Can I take,
Doing whatever your mother tells her children not to do. Run with scissors. Don't stab the box. Yeah, watch you stab your present. You ready?
You want to read some newspaper?
No, not really.
Hi. Oh, it's right there. You see it?
Don't break the dog. You don't want to open the rest of it up first? Do you need help?
No.
Dog gave up. That was funny. So who has the best girlfriend in the world? He can't say until he looks at it and then can decide.
Hey, Austin.
Yeah?
Why don't you get your butt in here?
Oh, now you want to show him? I thought you'd want to show him after you.
Sit down.
I have hair on it. I'm gonna sit here. I have hair on it.
Okay, fine.
Okay, just sit down and see.
Shit. What did he?
You'll see. It's his birthday present.
That's cool. He got a power wing. Yeah, I love one. Cool.
Have you touched it yet?
Smells like paint.
Kylie.
Here we go.
Young guy, cool helmet.
Look inside your helmet.
Oh, you got it.
Stay down. Stay down, Peppy.
Oh, that's cool.
There's your suit.
That's cool.
You ready?
Is that the belt?
That's cool.
The gloves.
Man, that's cool.
And your super glue just in case. Here we go.
You ready? Go for it.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna smush your ear.
So where's the hood?
Oh,
There's the hood.
Is it birthday?
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, stop. I want to make sure. Okay, go ahead. I think we need to take some of the padding out. Alright, now look at me. Oh my god!
That one's so cool.
Can you breathe? Bathroom? Okay.
I want you.
Hold my arm,
You were cool.
Johnny. Hold my arm.
I can see you.
Can you see?
That one's so cool.
Okay. You ready? Go up. Well, don't turn the fan on. What do you think?
It's getting foggy.
Is it? Probably needs an air area. Makes your head look really small if it makes you feel any better.
That one's so cool.
Claustrophobic.
Very. That was awesome.
Wait, I didn't get to take a picture of you with it on.
Oh, do you want me to put it back on?
Yeah. Okay, but wait. Here, talk to the camera first. What do you think?
That was very awesome.
Well, finish opening it
okay.
first, and then we'll take pictures.
So next, we have our belt holster.
Cool.
Our gun holster.
Video not sponsored by Power Rangers.
Our gloves.
And
lastly, let's see if these fit.
I know. That's what I want to know.
That one's cool too.
Please fit. Do they fit? Please tell me they fit.
Oh. Gained a little bit.
Please tell me they fit.
They fit.
They fit?
My toes right there.
Oh my
it's-
gosh.
It was so cool.
You hit the dog with newspaper. I don't know, maybe I should have made you wait until your actual birthday to open this.
That was so cool. Yeah,
You're putting on everything but the suit.
No, I'll put on the suit. I just want.
Oh, yeah.
He's such a kid.
It was good.
Now we really get to go filming. Do you need help or you got it?
What do you got?
You'll see. Other side.
I figured that. Austin, come here.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Never mind.
You got it.
Oh,
Looks good on camera.
Does it?
I think so. Losing my voice. You sure you don't want my help?
It was so cool.
You
I
should have
think
brought
I'm
your
ready.
morpher.
Here it is.
Well, that's
No.
not what I meant.
Alright, you can turn it off.
No, what do you
Yes.
think?
Come on.
No, what do you think?
I can't see it. I can't see it.
Well, you can't see all of it in the mirror either.
You want me to come?
Let's see here. These are brand new shoes.
You can't kick your leg that bad.
Yeah, I can. I just.
Have to-
It's like I'm wearing like Western cowboy boots without the cling, cling.
All right, so what do you think?
Awesome. And now
So who has the best girlfriend ever?
I do. What? Wait. Can you repeat it?
Who has the best girlfriend
I do.
ever?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
And why is that?
Because she gets amazing things.
Happy birthday, Johnny.
Not yet. We still have.
You have your present. Happy birthday.
And thank you.
Don't want to cool in.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. May the power protect you. Yeah. Okay. I'll probably edit that out.